The problem with the toilet handle, see how it's way down? We'll fix that for her. I'm gonna shut this water off to this thing. I'm gonna fix that handle or change it or something with it. That was not right with it. I'm on cattywampus with it. Let's see. Yeah, it's just gone. It's going wokey on us. This is a left-hand thread. It turns the opposite way of a regular thread. But this thing is just going. Looks like it broke. It should be like that where it only goes so far. But look at it. No good. We'll put a new one on there. Got a little faucet washer. I like to put it in case this hole is a little off. A lot of times. And this is a left-hand thread. See how it fits in there. No, that one seems to be pretty good, so we won't need a washer on that one. Sometimes I use washers, sometimes I don't. Depends. Depends if that's sloppy. Nobody likes it sloppy. If it's sloppy in there, I'll use that washer. But this one seems to be pretty snug, so it's not moving. See it? If this hole is too big, use this to take up the space. This one come up with it a little bit. I want to be able to. So when this thing's up, it doesn't. Let's try it. Another thing, you gotta make sure. See this extra? And you don't want it getting underneath there. This has to go inside the overflow, or the level in the toilet will be too low and won't flush. This has to go in there to fill the water level up inside the bowl. People will put this in here to fill the tank up quicker, but then the bowl water will stay low when you flush it. The liquor. The liquor. Should be fine now. Should fill up and be like 3/4 of an inch down, 3/4 of an inch or so down. Fill lines right there. It's already too high, see it? We could adjust it here. stuck in there. Either that or it's a vent problem. Alright, let's see if it flushes. Not the greatest. Not the greatest. Yeah, that flapper's no good. I gotta put a different flapper in there. The flapper's no good. I'm gonna change that flapper in there. I got all kinds of flappers in there. I kinda like the blue ones. I'm kinda running out of them. I did order some other ones. That one's gonna take a nice blue flapper. I should have some of this. I just bought a whole bunch more from the supplier. I like these blue ones. Put a blue one in there and see how it flushes with that. It's not flushing with the other one. Alright, we're going to change the flapper. We're going to put this blue one in there. See if they'll do it on the fly. This one, for some reason, I don't know. Let's try putting the blue one in there and see what happens. Doing it on the fly, mama. On the fly here. Put this blue one in it and try it, see what happens. Try that and see how that works. See if that works. We'll fill it and try it. I don't know. This one don't seem to wanna. Maybe it's too heavy. There might be an adjustment on this thing. Minimum and maximum, whatever the fuck that is. It was on minimum. I don't know what the hell that does. It's spinning that thing. Something to do with it. It was just, it was on minimum. Whatever. Let's try the new blue one. It should be better. Let's see if it flushes when we don't have to hold the handle down. Shouldn't have to hold the handle down. Shouldn't have to hold the handle down for it to flush, right? Ridiculous. Alright, let's see if it flushes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. A lot better now. That's what it was. It had the wrong flapper in there. This thing says maximum and minimum. Whatever the hell kind of shit that is. Well, let me just put a good blue one in there. I like those blue ones. I like the blue ones for the high usage water. Toilets like 3 gallons or whatever, 3.5. See how it flushes. It should be able to just push the handle and flush it. Once it stops filling. Oh, it just stopped. There you go, Mama. Next level shitter.